What's up? My name is Rob. Today I'm doing a video tutorial on how to sublimate onto dark colored t-shirts. And I know that there are a lot of products out there where you have a substrate that you press onto the t-shirt and you're actually sublimating onto that substrate. But in this case we're actually going to be sublimating onto dark colored t-shirts. Now there's a disclaimer. We will be using diluted bleach, so if you're allergic or sensitive, this might be something you either want to wear gloves and a mask or maybe stay away from altogether. I'm not sure. I'll let you make that call. But the shirts that I use are Gildan soft style t-shirts and only the heather colors, because the heather colors have 65% polyester, and when you're sublimating onto a t-shirt you want at least 65% polyester for the image to be vibrant and turn out good. So, but these 65% polyester shirts aren't the ones you might be thinking about. They're not shiny and they're not slick feeling like a lot of polyester shirts. We've ordered a lot of shirts to try to find the ones that we like the best, and these are really soft and really comfy, and you really can't tell these apart from a 100% cotton shirt. There are some other brands out there that people really like Next Level and Bella Canvas. They have similar type shirts, but as far as that goes, you'll have to do your own research on those, because I mainly just use these Gildan, the Gildan soft style for this application. So let's get into it. So first off, we're gonna have to have a couple of files open. The first one being the printed image. We're gonna print this out on sublimation paper, and this is what's actually gonna go on the t-shirt. And we also have this outline over here, which we're going to print out in your vinyl cutter of choice. In this case I'm using the Silhouette Cameo. And I'm just going to cut this shape out of vinyl. And that is going to be an outline. So it's going to kind of be like this, except for it's going to be... There'll be the color of the t-shirt, and then everything you see that's black here will be bleached white, except for the image. So we'll go ahead and print this out. Let's get rid of that first thing that we did in there. So we'll just print this out, and then we'll go to our silhouette and we'll cut that shape out, and then we'll go to our t-shirt. Alright, so now we have our printed image on sublimation paper. Vinyl mask with the shape removed. I just used a scrap piece of vinyl that I had laying around since color didn't matter. Alright, we'll take this over to the press. here's the final result of this one. You can see it's got a really cool looking vintagey, sort of worn look to it. I really like this one. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some other videos, maybe subscribe. I don't know. See you later.